Hello friends, today in this video we will be talking about a very fundamental but very crucial concept of marketing which is called as STP, wherein S stands for segmentation, T stands for targeting and P stands for positioning. Before getting into the details of segmentation, targeting and positioning, I want you to recall a very simple occurrence which happens in our life quite frequently. Suppose you have brought some vegetables and some fruits for your household consumption. What is the next step which you do? The first step probably would be to segregate or to separate fruits from vegetables. The second would be probably within the vegetables also, different vegetables they need different treatment. Say for example, potato, onion, garlic, they needs to be treated differently as compared to some green or leafy vegetable or as compared to ginger or as compared to lemon. Certain things you will put separately and put in a refrigerator, while certain things you will store at room temperature. The same may be true for the fruits as well. Different fruits will require different treatment. So, if it is a watermelon, if it is a muskmelon, probably we can keep them outside as well. But if it is a case of orange or if it is a case of apple, probably you would separate them and then will try to put them in a refrigerator. What I am trying to put forward is that when it comes to fruits and when it comes to vegetable, you do some sorting, you do some segregation, and then you finally decide how you are going to store them. Why this sorting and segregation is important? Because fruits need a different kind of treatment, vegetables need a different kind of treatment, their purpose are different, and then within the fruits and vegetables, different categories, they need to be stored differently. Some probably you wash and clean and then you store. For some, probably you will keep them in the same manner as which you have brought them from the market. Now the only reason why you are doing it, because fruit and vegetables are different from each other and they need different treatment. How this is important in marketing? Because when it comes to customers, you cannot assume that all the customers are same. Yes, they all are human beings, but still they may have some differences. As marketers, we need to understand, we need to appreciate those differences, and sometimes it may require changing the marketing mix to make it more suitable for that target segment. That is where this segmentation, targeting and positioning comes into play. Thank you.